Now we've come to an awesome place, we've pulled over, we've had a little bit of dronage, and now of course it wouldn't be a Helmet Head video with at least some kind of smoke pouring out of the bike. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go for the most epic smoke scene in the world.
I've got to stop the blog. Unfortunately, something happened and I actually lost all of the epic rocket scene footage. My whole footage for that scene was completely corrupted, unusable. And I was gutted because I'd gone off to NASA to learn the way of the rocket. I attained my rocket license so I could fly past the 14 bikes, no scrap that, make it better, the 150 bikes that were there, with the smoke pouring out the back, the rockets firing at those supersonic speeds. And the footage was corrupted. I was absolutely gutted because it was the most epic footage in the world. So I put out a shout out on YouTube to say, has anybody managed to capture that footage? And I've been waiting. And then from nowhere, another channel, another YouTuber has come along and given me their raw footage, and that man is Another Hipster. If you haven't checked out Another Hipster's channel, please do, because he is absolutely awesome, and he has literally saved this scene from it not even being shown on the blog. So thank you so much to Another Hipster. He is absolutely awesome, and he caught it. What I'll say is look underneath his armpit, because you'll see me flying along, and then obviously you'll catch me going by. And it's just the most best ever rocket takeoff monkey scene in the world. But just to top it off, he sent me, I kid you not, you won't even believe this, he sent me some bonus footage of a flying Willy. Now there's another YouTuber called Captain Pugwash, and he has an extremely big Willy, and unfortunately it flew away. But anyway, I won't spoil the scene. So ladies and gentlemen, let me give you the rocket Willy scene you've all been waiting for. Enjoy.
Oh my goodness. That's disgusting.
Well, Sidekick,
Yes, mate.
was it epic?
Yes, very epic.
Did the smoke pour out the back? Was it like cinematic? Was it James Bondy?
It was smoky and it was green. And yeah, sure, we got some good shots there.
Did you manage to keep up?
No, because of that car.
Oh, don't tell me you ruined the best shot in the world.
No, I'm sure we've still got some good footage there.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. You're supposed to be next to me, side by side.
Yeah.
Man in arms.
There was a car coming and I didn't really fancy taking the car on, so.
But you got to risk it for a biscuit.
Yeah, no, it's alright.
That's the way it works. You're the sidekick.
Yeah.
I can hire a new one. Are you having a good time?
Yes, mate, yeah.
Good.
Roads are nice, the weather's good, got some good people with us, so it's going well, isn't it?
Have you counted how many bikes are there yet?
No.
No, I haven't either.
No.
There's a few.
And we lost one early on as well, didn't we?
Oh, we did. We lost. I was supposed to be riding a big shadow at some point.
Poor old Mickey.
And he couldn't start his bike, unfortunately, at the beginning. So,
No.
yeah, it's a bit of a shame. But the plus side of it is where the pub is. So when we get back, bada boom, bada bing.
Yeah, it'll probably be leathered.
Yeah, I've just had a few pints, boy. But hey, so we're now heading on. We've actually only done probably about 30 miles of the route, something like that. We are looking for a coffee stop already. We're going to try and hack down a little bit more miles yet, though. But if we come across somewhere nice, we're going to stop, chat to a few more of the subscribers. Probably make sure we spray them with Brute, even when they're not looking, to keep them safe, because they're obviously all very super sexy. I might give you that task, Sidekick, just to run around randomly spraying people. Just make sure they're with us and not just people walking by.
Okay, I'll give it a go.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
Well, Sidekick, you're leading the pack, mate. You're the boss at the minute. But the bigger question of it is, are you intimidated by so many monkeys?
It's I'm not going to lie, it is a little bit intimidating. I feel like, you know, I do feel like the odd one out, but I am in front of everybody, so it says it all, really.
And do you think that you're going to end up having to buy a monkey at this rate to join the special club of the people that ride the best bikes in the world?
No, absolutely not.
Even if you got one given for free?
Maybe if I was given one, I'm not going to turn it down for free. But...
Well, here we are with another subscriber. So what's your name?
My name's Aaron.
Your name's Aaron, and you ride what bike?
Best bike in the world, Honda Motor.
Of course. And is it your go-to favourite bike?
It is, yes.
Is it your only bike?
No.
And what's your other bike?
I've got a Triumph Speed Twin.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. And then what's your favourite Helmet Head episode, the one you've watched probably the most?
Well, I don't know about the one I watched the most, but my favourite was when you took your daughter out on the back of the bike.
Oh, the first one I took her out. Yeah, do you know what? It was a moment as well, because it was one of those things where you go, I want to really do something with her, and she's not old enough, and you go, now she's old enough, and you finally get to take her.
But watching you go off-road and watching you go through the fords, that's the fun stuff.
I'm just trying to get the Sidekick to drown his bike, so we're trying to get him to go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper until eventually it just completely kills it. And hopefully the monkey then will go through in a perfect way.
Of course it will.
That is the plan. Are you staying for the entire the run? Are you coming back? Are you coming back to the pub as well for a drink afterwards?
No, I've got a meal tonight that has to be done.
You have to have 3 pints quickly and then go for the meal. So, what's your name?
Gareth.
Gareth, and what bike are you riding?
Monkey.
And is it your only bike?
No.
So, is it your favourite bike?
No.
No. So, what's your favourite?
Honda CRF.
Oh, very nice. So, you do a lot of off-roading?
Yeah, quite
Yeah?
a bit,
Enjoy it?
yeah.
Fantastic. And what's your favourite video?
Dating one, I would say.
Probably because it's the best piss taken out of dating, possibly.
Maybe, yeah.
Well, are you going to ride most of the ride?
I am.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll get the 80 odd something miles in, fingers crossed. But if we get to the point where we've had enough and it's getting on a bit, we'll head back and grab a beer and have a bit of a giggle. Yeah. So we've got a mirror because I know I'm coming, so I can check that I look good. But are we all set, do you reckon? Are we all good?
We're just waiting for the last ones to pull out. We've now got Mickey back on the shadow. Here comes another hipster.
Another hipster! Look, you can check your makeup. Hello. Hello. Oh. We good?
It looks like we're ready. Let's go.
Go, 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 go!
Yes, everybody's back.
You're indicating. Power!
We're back to a full group.
Everybody's back in the mix.
We've got the shadow back.
We are on it like a car bonnet.
Yeah. So what are we up to now? 15 or 16 people, I think, aren't we?
16, I believe, at the minute.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a group.
I've still not signed any boobies or bald heads yet. I just think people are a little bit shy.
Yeah, there's still time.
Worst case is I'll have to sign your boobies later.
Depends how drunk I am.
I can get you a few, mate, don't worry. And then last night you paid the bill.
Yes,
for the
I did.
food. So tonight I'm paying the bill.
Oh, good. So I'll have steak again.
Well, I was just going to say, unfortunately, the only thing they've got left on the menu is salad. So you're going to have yourself a lovely cucumber salad.
I thought that might be the case.
Don't worry, I've
Yep.
got this 100% covered.
Yeah.
I want someone who can please me. I want somebody who cares. I need a lover who never leaves me. I need somebody who cares. I've been searching my life, I just couldn't find it. The special someone to give me my heart. I've been searching my life, but then I found it. Now I won't let you out of my sight. I wanna keep this feeling forever and ever. I'm there when you need me, whenever, whenever. Keep this feeling forever and evermore. I wanna keep this feeling. I'm there when you need me. Keep this feeling forever and evermore. Keep this.
Well, look at this, mate. We're on the Snake Pass now, and just look how beautiful that is. That is just absolutely stunning. Dude, look at the view.
Oh, it's amazing, isn't it?
I mean, that is just gorgeous.
And the roads, it's fantastic.
That is what it is, biking's about. This is just absolutely gorgeous.
Nice twisty, windy roads,
Beautiful.
leading the Vespa over.
Now, for all the teas in China, I wouldn't give this up. And I don't really like tea, so that's an easy decision.